Perhaps the most versatile piece of equipment on the job site, whether it be construction, raw material handling, or some other situation requiring an off-road type forklift, the Telehandler has come into its own. These unique machines can lift up to 10,000-pound loads and extend outwards 30 to 40 feet. They can also tilt the load left or right to balance the load equally or to align the load where they can precisely set down or dump the load. The steering on the Telehandler allows the operator to choose between front-wheel steering, four-wheel turn steering, or sideways steering. All of these features, in addition to being a four-wheel drive machine, make the Telehandler extremely versatile. Be sure to follow the operator's instructions in the manual and instructional signs. Keep a copy of the manual in the cab of the vehicle for reference. Telehandler operators must be aware of their surroundings and all personnel working around the Telehandler. The safety of all persons in the work area is absolutely the most important part of any job. The Telehandler operator must be competent in all phases of understanding the machine. The operator must have good eyesight, including depth perception, and an understanding of hand signals. Some of the optional accessories for the Telehandler include outriggers for stability when picking up heavy, long, or odd-shaped loads. Other options include heat and air conditioning in the operator's cage. Extension boom, block heater, and foam-filled tires are also options. Another option is an extension boom, which can help in the setting of trusses and large items not at the edge of the work area. As with any piece of equipment, at the start of the day or shift, the operator should check the engine's oil, water, hydraulics, and for signs of wear on all moving parts of the machine. This should also include a visual inspection of all lights on the Telehandler. Check if the lights are working, and if they're set up to place light on the work area. Operators should be very familiar with approved hand signals, which are the same as the signals a crane operator uses. There are many functions of the Telehandler which are similar to the crane. Prior to operating the Telehandler, with the engine running, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, then all the way to the left. This ensures that all hydraulic circuits are fully charged prior to operation of the vehicle. It's important to conduct a visual inspection of the work site to determine potential hazards, especially during pickup, transport, or drop-off. Potholes, irregular terrain, mud holes, piles of material, construction debris, snow, and water are just some of the terrain obstacles that may be present. Foam-filled tires are highly recommended since a tire blowout while transporting or elevating a load can cause the load to drop or spill. In addition to checking a job site, inspect the vehicle. Perform necessary daily preventative maintenance, including repairing damage to the forks or other parts of the vehicles. Inspect tires for any defects. It's recommended that the instruments and gauges are checked upon vehicle startup, after the vehicle is warmed up, and during normal operations. To lift a load properly, the operator should first set the forks to lift with a 24-inch load center. A 4-foot wide load would have its center midway under the two forks.